Hi, this is Molly at Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot a quick video just to show a few tips and tricks that you can do with your website and also your Google business profile. It's going to help you rank better in the searches. So, looking at your site, I think it's a really beautiful site. Um, One thing that I would definitely recommend is content. Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page, at least at a minimum. And the reason for this is throughout all that content, when you have that many words on your front page, you can strategically place keywords. What a keyword is, that is anytime someone is searching for your services, think about what they're going to put into Google. So, um, like when I look through here, nothing says that you service the Las Vegas area until all the way down here. I had to come find your address to even figure out what area you're in. So if a customer stumbles upon your website, they're not going to have any idea if they can serve you at all right off the bat. You don't want them to go searching for that. Google is the same thing. They operate off of words. They need all that information. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I put your website into a tool that I use, and this is going to show me the basic analytics of how you're performing. So this is the strength and trust that you would have with Google. You want to get these numbers up, and the way that you get them up is by getting backlinks from referring domains. The higher these numbers, the more likely you are to show up at a Google search. So what a backlink is, that's anytime an outside website, we call them referring domains, anytime an outside website has you listed and is pointing direction back to you. You are not getting any organic hits a month. Organic means they've searched and you've shown up um, to your website, and that's because you're only showing up for one keyword search. So if someone searches elegance kitchen design, which this is a worldwide search. There's two different types of keywords. There's informational or branded, and then there's local buyer intent. And so this is just like an informational or a national one because there's no city attached to it. So this could be anywhere throughout the world. That's only searched 90 times a month. You're in position 62. So that means you're way back on the sixth, seventh, eighth page of Google, and so you're not getting any hits to your month, to your website a month. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'll show you what I mean. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and search kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and search kitchen remodel Las Vegas. The first thing that comes up, this right here is what you call your Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile really comes into play. Do you have a Google business profile? Have you already filled that out? And if you have, here's a couple tips you can do. Number one, you want to make sure that you have filled it out completely, especially the bottom part. There's an about section that needs to be fully optimized using those keywords. Also, post the maximum amount of photos, but make sure those photos are branded and geotagged. And then you want to make sure that you're posting branded and geotagged to your Google business profile weekly. Make sure that you are responding to all these reviews. A lot of business owners don't know they're supposed to be doing that. So respond to all your reviews, not other people's, but to all the reviews that you get. And most important is citations. What a citation is, that's any time that your Google business is listed in various directories throughout the web, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. There are thousands of directories out there. And the truth is Google is a big popularity contest. So you do want to go out, give your information to as many places as possible. Really go after those citations. Scrolling down here, this is the organic section. I decided to click on LV remodel and show you what their site is up to. So if you take a look, this is their URDR, and these numbers, anything 30 and above, is considered fairly strong. And they have this because they have 1.9 thousand backlinks coming from 153 referring domains. So you come in here, you find what referring domains your competitors have, and you not only want to match that, you can get a full listing in here. You want to not only match that, but you want to beat them by at least 100 referring domains. Now these guys are ninth on the Google search. There's plenty of room above. They are listing or showing up for 805 different keywords. And so that's bringing them over 700 hits to their site a month. So let's take a look at the keywords so you know what to put on your site. So, bath remodel Las Vegas. That is searched 800 times a month. They're getting 74 of those hits a month because they're ranked number 5. Again, we're only looking for local buyer intent, so that one doesn't matter. Las Vegas bathroom remodel, 700 times. That's searched. They get 56 of those clicks. Las Vegas kitchen remodeling, that is searched 600 times a month, and they're getting 42 of those clicks. Kitchen remodels, Las Vegas, that's almost what I searched. That is searched 600 times a month. Bathroom remodelers, Las Vegas. Las Vegas bathroom remodeling, Las Vegas kitchen remodel, Las Vegas. So all the different wording, that matters. You want that all throughout your front page. And the reason why is because look at how many times a month each of these keywords are searched. Those are clients looking for you and looking for your services. And so it's very helpful to find the keywords that are going to bring them to you and make sure that they're listed all throughout your website. I hope that this has been beneficial. Just wanted to provide some information and hope that that will help you be able to rank your website and your Google business profile. We look forward to hearing your feedback and have a great day.